up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review, and finally we have the Moto G6 Forge in the house, or actually in the Magic Tech Review Tech Labs and stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and unbox this puppy and see what we actually get inside the box. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoy my content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below what you want to see from this channel in further videos, whether it be the Moto G6 Forge or anything else. Let's go ahead and get ready. Guys, and here you go with the Moto G6 Forge from Cricket Wireless and Best Buy. So this is enjoy 4G LTE network and get a free gel case inside. Wow, so looks like they put that little sticker right there. So it looks like we are going to get that gel case that we got. I still got the one from the Moto E5 Supra. I'm actually using the Moto E5 Supra right now to record this video. So let's go ahead and just take a quick peek at the specs before we open this puppy up. So it's the Android system. Obviously it's going to have a 5.7 inch HD plus display, 13 megapixel rear facing camera, plus a front 5 megapixel front facing camera, a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor, 4,000 milliamp battery, a fingerprint sensor. Did not know this one. Wow, this one comes with fingerprint sensor as well. Wi-Fi calling, and yeah, it says this box contains phone, battery charger, SIM card, and USB cable. So it looks like we get a lot of the same stuff that we got with the Moto E5 Supra, but pretty excited about the little gel case. Obviously, it's not the biggest deal in the world, but it is nice to have something that is, you know, a freebie in the box, basically, because we usually never get any freebies nowadays. So right out of the box, right there, and this thing's pretty hefty. Obviously, it's Motorola. It's got that 4,000 milliamp battery, so I am looking to feel its heft and whatnot for you guys. And whoa, yeah, wow, this thing. This thing's a little weighty, definitely, for sure. You get your we're glad you're here. Getting started is simple right there. Terms and conditions of service, términos y condiciones de servicio, right there for my Spanish peeps out there. And don't worry, guys, I will be getting this phone unlocked soon. So probably in the next video you're gonna see this phone getting unlocked as well. So no worries right there. My SIM card, your quick start guide right there. So get a lot of obviously information there to read if you want, if you're into that stuff. I usually don't read any of that information right there. And then we do have your little silicone gel case, which is, you know, your just floppy standard run-of-the-mill case. But it is nice to have something so you won't, you know, get your phone all messed up. A micro USB cable right there, and a big house brick right there. So it looks like it's going to be a quick charger as well as just like the other one was. Looks about the same size, matter of fact. So let's go ahead and put all that to the side there, and let's go ahead and power this puppy on for the first time. Well, let's take a look around the device, and I'll be able to let you know if there's any real difference between the Moto. Let's see here. Let's turn this on for 1 second so I can actually see into this right here. So you do have your micro USB right there. You have your microphone port down at the bottom to be able to make and receive phone calls, or yeah, to be able to talk actually to people. You do have your power button right there. You do have your up and down volume rocker, which is one piece. It is not two pieces right there. You do have your headphone jack right there. Now this is supposed to be 18:9 aspect ratio, which is, it is tall, and it is 5.7 inch display. So I've always said 5.5 or higher is good for me. So this being a 5.7 inch display, kind of, yeah, it's a good feel. It's a good feel, guys. Really nice feel in the hand. It's, you know, thinner but taller, so it does give you a lot more room, a lot more display, and it's not very far off from my Motorola E5 Supra. Like I said, I'm making a video with the camera right now. But in a later video, I'm actually going to have both side by side. But just from right now, from actually holding both phones, or actually looking at both phones, I can see that it's not very far off. And right there, we do have the camera right there with the LED flash, and we do have the fingerprint Batwing Motorola logo right there. So that's a really nice addition as well. So I really like that. Let's go ahead and peel this off for the first time. Get this thing some air right there. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and boot this thing on. So Motorola iconic logo has not changed in a long time, but man, do I miss Motorola logo right there. Motorola hasn't been around in the phone world for quite some time, so I am glad that Motorola is finally kicking out some phones, lots of phones, especially in Cricket. They've been missing on Cricket for a while now, and I think that their brand is doing so well is really awesome right now. I've been a ZTE, obviously, guys, I'm a ZTE fanboy, you guys know, but I'm also a very, very big Motorola fanboy as well. So I am so glad. They were like one of the last American companies to be made in America. They were sold to Lenovo, so they were with Google for a while. Just a little bit of backstory basically on them. So let's go ahead and just get right into it, guys, and let's see. We're just gonna skip all this stuff, and we're going to go ahead and just check out the UI, and that's going to be basically it for the unboxing portion of this thing, and then we'll go ahead and go to something else on the next video. But there you go, you can actually put a fingerprint right there. So for $100, guys, at Best Buy, this is not a bad looking device or bad feeling device whatsoever. I think you would be really not doing bad at all with this. You do have a 5 megapixel front camera, so maybe that's going to be a little bit of an issue. You don't have the laser autofocus right there in the back, so I don't know how that's going to play into things, but I'm going to show you guys all that stuff. Does look a little bit strange now that I'm looking at it right there. It doesn't have the same look and feel kind of on the camera, but let's go ahead and take a look here. We do have Dolby audio though. Oddly enough, we do have Dolby audio on this thing. That's pretty awesome. So that's the brightness right there, just to show you guys. I don't want to blow up my camera too much, but that's the brightness right there. Let's just go ahead and take a quick peek at what comes right there. Obviously, you have your phone, text messaging, you have your Chrome, you have your photos, you have your camera right there. Let's just go ahead and load up the camera, and it's going to give us a tutorial. So let's just see how fast, and then you do have your chop and all that other stuff, quick capture. So there you go. Let's see how that performs right there. Okay, that's not bad at all. If you take away the animation, that'll go even faster. So let's keep going on, pressing on right here. You got your Amazon shopping, you got your calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, of course. You got your contacts, Dolby audio sound, which is awesome. The intelligent equalizer analyzes the dynamic, adjust the audio to match a desired tone. Got it. Huh. Nice. So, wow, this is freaking awesome. So looks like it does have an equalizer, leveler. This is nice. This is a really nice addition, guys. The Dolby audio on the device itself already kind of reminds me of the ZTE phones, how they have Dolby audio. You got your Drive, your Duo, your Facebook, your files, your Gmail, your Google, your Maps, your messages, of course, again, your Moto. So this is going to have your Moto actions and all that stuff. So go ahead. Nighttime display, that's nice. You're going to have your blue light thing, make your commute easier, plenty of storage, power for hours. You're going to have your My Cricket, next radio, phone, photos, play movies and TV, play music, play store, settings, visual voicemail, wallpapers, and YouTube. So yeah, guys, this is a pretty awesome little device. I did not know. I'm kind of surprised at the different little things that you're getting there. So you do have your chop as well, and you do have your thing where you actually can open your camera just like that, and then you can actually bring it into selfie mode as well. So that's selfie mode right there. Just judging from it right now, 5 megapixel camera looks decent. Doesn't look half bad. I don't have it on all the way up. So, and then just looking at the camera right quick on the back, also looks not half bad, pretty decent. So guys, I'm going to have a more full in-depth coverage of this phone, and I'm also going to have an unlocking video as well really soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video all the way to the end. Go ahead and hit hashtag Moto G6 Forge in the comments if you did reach all the way to the end, and don't forget to leave that big fat like. on the video. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.